Happy Sunday, everyone. I just picked up my grocery order. Well, my husband and oldest did. My husband took him on a driving lesson this morning, so they stopped and picked up groceries. I spent $180.40. I ordered about 10 things that they were out of, so I didn't get those things. I'm still looking for white beans because they're still out of those. So I'll have to find them somewhere else. So let's start with bananas. I got a bunch of bananas for smoothies this weekend. The boys were out of syrup for their pancakes and waffles, so I got some of that. Their sparkling ice waters were on sale this week. So I got Keegan's 5 of the fruit punch ones. He really likes that flavor. I also ordered some of the coconut limeade and a couple of the other ones that they were out of, so we ended up with just those. I got our 2 gallons of milk. Got our coffee creamer, of course. Their orange juice was on sale 3 for $10, so I went ahead and got 3 because we will drink it. So I got 1 pulp free for Keegan, and then I got 2 high pulps for the rest of us. We were out of root beer in the cabinet, so I got 2 of those and a ginger ale for my husband. They were on sale 3 for $5, so I got the 3. I picked up some of the California Veggies because those are my husband's favorite, so I got 3 of those to stock in the freezer. I picked up a couple of pouches of Brussels sprouts because I just felt like having some Brussels sprouts. I'm the only one who will eat those, so I only got 2. I got 1 can of peas for chicken and noodles this week, and I got 2 cans of peas and carrots. For some other recipe, I got 3 cans of ranch beans. These are Owen's favorite beans. I got 2 of these just cracking eggs. These are the All-American Scramble. I've bought these once before. The kids kind of liked them, but they were on sale this week, so I went ahead and got 2. I got a bless you. I got a box of these cheesy scallop potatoes to have in the cabinet. And they had spirals this week again, so I got my husband 3 of those. Those are his favorites. I got 2 boxes of brown rice. They didn't have a big box, so I just got 2 of the small ones. I got myself some more of these Artisan Bistro breakfast burritos. I really like these. They taste pretty good. I've tried a few of the other breakfast burritos, but I really like those ones. Their Giovanni flips were on sale 10 for 10. I ordered 5, but only ended up with 1 because that was all that they had. I got another fresh mozzarella ball for a chicken recipe. We were getting low on coffee and it was on sale, so I went ahead and got it because it was a pretty good price. Owen wants to make chicken fried rice this week, and I was getting low on soy sauce, so I picked another one of those up. I got 2 boxes of the Krusty's French toast sticks. They were on sale 2 for $7, I think. So I went ahead and got 2 of those because the boys like those for breakfast. I got 2 packs of sesame hamburger buns. We're debating on having turkey burgers tonight or something else because it's going to be like a 100 and something great degrees today, so I don't know if I'm gonna have my husband barbecue or not. I got 2 of those, one for the freezer and one for dinner. I got a pack of the French rolls, another one. We like to have these for sandwiches. I got another carton of eggs. Owen was wanting to make omelets this weekend. I got some shredded carrots for teriyaki turkey bowls. This week I got carrot chips for snacking on. I got our 2 shredded lettuces, and I got my 3-pound bag of salad. I got a little container of toothpicks. I needed these actually for a craft project, and so I decided to pick some up at the grocery store. What'd you find? Is it stuck to your tongue? What did you get? I got 2 cases of the mini Pepsis. They were on sale 2 for $7 this week, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of those. My husband needed more oranges. He likes to have these in the morning after he works out, and he's already been into these. For our meat, I got 3 packs of ground turkey. I did not order the organic. That's what they substituted. I guess they were out of the regular ground turkey that I buy. And then I got our usual package of chicken drumsticks, thighs, and then chicken breasts. And my husband will split these all up and vacuum seal them and put them in the freezer. So that is my grocery haul for this week. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you like grocery hauls and weekly dinner videos. Bye! Here are the bathroom lights that my husband put in. You got that done over the weekend. We had one over the mirror light switch or light fixture right over there. Now we got to cover that hole up. But he put in these recessed lights. So it makes our bathroom a whole lot brighter. And he even put in the dimmer switch for it. It came out looking pretty good. Now I just have to figure out what to do with that hole in the wall. Little canvas painting coming in the mail that I ordered. That will do for now, but eventually I want to take that big mirror down and tile that wall right there and then put up separate mirrors. But the painting will do for now.